Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation for Flow cryptocurrency on December 2023. Let's discover what's happening with this one. What's going on at the end of the day? It is 25% on the past 7 days, 12% in the past 24 hours. And the great part is has started to move, which is one of the things people were just sort of away tweaking around. Like when this thing starts moving, because we already know from past price action movement, Flow is a crypto that delivers throughout a week or 2 weeks continuously double digits daily. I mean, if you see 20% on Flow increasing in a day, it's not like you would see any other than 2% on the BTC, right? So it is a crypto that has the ability to print those numbers as soon as it starts moving. $255 million volume for the past 24 hours, which is a great sign. Take a look at the charts. We're going to dive into the topic very soon. Make sure, by the way, to subscribe and follow me on my main YouTube channel. Like the video if you enjoy. We have many other videos, including the live trading ability. And for those of you that would like to join my trades, no prior fee, only commission from the profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you, the trading permission with API, and you pay the commission every 7 days from pure profits achieved. This is how we participate. Along the way, for those of you that are serious about this business and would like education, thinking by improving their skills and knowledge can generate different results on the market, make sure to check out the one-on-one coaching with me. I'm going to talk about those things at the end of the video. As usually, one-day candlesticks. We have zoomed out quite a lot, but we're going to zoom in very, very soon to see the charts around the current price action right there. So the zoom out picture is the following. We are actually still part of the accumulation stage, crypto winter, and anything you would like to call similar to this. This is no longer a situation for Flow cryptocurrency that has unfortunately decreased a lot. It went down to 40 cents. Now it's up at 80 cents, which means double from the bottom. It's not nothing, even though cryptocurrencies like Flow with such market cap used to easily do 200 or 300 percentages. And let me just share with you. So back in the day when we wanted to recover a little bit, 53 days of price action on 169%. So now by doing 100% is not a big deal, but we're just actually starting. So this crypto movement that we're going through in the entire rally and so on is just starting out. It's not something that has been already throughout the past days and it's performing for months and months. No, we're actually just starting out. So the number one target that I would see basically will be based on the Fibonacci. As well, I want you to see in the way we're zoomed out right now, the major supply level at the top. That is the top of the crypto accumulation stage and part of the end of the winter, right? So get out of that, make it into your support, and we're going to talk about the upcoming targets such as the number 2 round number and number 3 round number of the extensions. These extensions will be $6 and $9 on Flow's prices. Those will be the 2 targets as soon as you find yourself above the current major supply level. Now, by zooming in, I wanted to share with you how does the moving averages are behaving and the fact that there's still a lot to increase from here. Let's say first towards the, this is the golden pocket. Like that would be the main target for December, $2.2 around that mark, where you are going to struggle with and have difficulties breaking out. Now, the 80 cents mark obviously needs a situation here where the space is going to pump for another, in 3 days, another 60, 70, 80, 90% to get to the $2.2 nearly. So this is not going to be an easy task. I mean, these cryptocurrencies need to be part of the major bull market cycles, major bull market rallies, and those are actually the times they actually move a lot. It's hard for them to take the spotlight and go throughout the times when there is a level of uncertainty, when there is a level of delayed type of behavior between Bitcoin and this kind of altcoins. As you can see, they don't have that force comparable to the bull market when they do 40, 50%, 60% in a day. So that is necessary for these cryptos in order to touch their targets. Without those percentages, although with 15, 20% in 24 hours, it's not sufficient, guys. Usually the gaps they have been forming with the crypto winter behavior, with the bear market situation, are so deep that it's not easy to recover from those levels. So the $2.22 mark right here are the ones that we would actually aim for the upcoming major target. Before that, we can speak about this high right there, which is the 1.4. So that's a lot closer for December, which would be a great discussion. 1.4, the first target, as a minor target. Now, the major one when we talk about is the $2.2 on the board. This is the current situation for flow. When it comes down to the moving averages, well, the moving averages are not having their best shape at the moment. It's just the 20 days that have recently crossed, which is rarely at this days in the crypto. I mean, we have also crossed for the majority of the cryptocurrencies with 100 days and 50 days, so everything have crossed a while ago. Meanwhile, for flow, you are just crossing with your 20 days, your 200 days. This is heavily delayed, probably the most delayed crypto I've seen so far throughout my technicals of, tens of cryptos that have been performing in the past, more than 50 analysis that have been performing in the past 2 weeks. This is probably the most delayed from the moving averages side. This is terrible, guys. 20 days moving average has just crossed, which is something that other altcoins have performed 3 weeks ago. And they are already, in a great shape of a pump with the 50 days and 100 days, much better than the situation of the, flow. This is, quite weird, but that's the reality. Has to be portrayed. Not easy to digest that type of information, but things can change. They will need time, and obviously they will change as soon as the market starts pumping. Beautiful. That's pretty much all on the topic of flow cryptocurrency. For those of you that enjoyed, like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. At the same time, we have the done for you trading that you can participate, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made, where we have our ChatGPT bot helping us perform, and the one-on-one coaching program, about which you can find out more on our page by looking at this video. Register now if you want to get into a free conversation with me, and have a good time, folks. We talk to you soon.